Welcome back to the garden. So today, really quick video. I know I say that a lot, but a quick video. Bit of an update on my gourd arch. Now it's finally got its bum in gear and it's looking really good. I'm super happy. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So if you've watched the previous vlogs, you'll know that it was an extremely slow start for my gourds. They didn't do good at all. We've had a bit of a rubbish season in 2024. It's been cold, it's been wet, it's been then too hot. So it's been a really challenging season. But as you can see, just from up here, they've done absolutely amazing. The last sort of 2 weeks have really caught up in the season. And this is what I wanted. I wanted to walk through my archway and have the gourds hanging down above my head. Yes, they've got another month of growing, which I'm really excited by, because I really want it to feel like a bit of a sleepy hollow kind of look. So when everything else is done and the plants are sort of finishing, yes, we will lose the leaves, will turn brown and black and we'll take them off. However, the gourds will remain and I'm going to keep them on, and I'll show you that hopefully in Halloween and do a bit of a Halloween gardening vlog, because that's a part of the season that's always a bit boring, not much is going on. So I'm really excited to show you that. The biggest struggle this year was purely getting going. So I put some clips in of when I got them in. Now I waited for the cold weather to disappear and it never really did. It warmed up a little bit, I got them planted out and it turned cold again. I left them in the ground and they just took forever to get going. But like anything, you know, it finds a way.
Finds a way.
Life finds a way, right? So yeah, they've done amazing since. Now everything has a way of catching up, and gourds have certainly done that. So if you guys are thinking about doing a gourd arch or a gourd tunnel, I'd highly recommend it. Not every plant is taken. In fact, it's probably only half of the plants that I've done I actually planted have actually taken and done well. However, the ones that have done well have done really well, so they've made up for it. And we have some really interesting gourds actually. This seems to be the most popular variety that's done well. This was the very first one that come out and started blooming. As you can see from there, it's mixed in with my sweet peas, which have done amazing this year. They've flowered all year, and also I've got a passion flower as well just running through here. They're just finishing, but that's done really well as well. So as you can see, they've gone completely over my arch and over to the other side, and it's pretty much done exactly what I wanted to do. So I am really happy. I won't bore you too much, but the key to this was lots of water and lots of feed. I just used a seaweed feed and a chicken manure pallets, just sort of scattered them on. Haven't really given loads. I haven't even fed them weekly. I'm going to say kind of like 3 weekly, not even fortnightly. So it just shows they are a hungry plant, but you can get away with a little bit of neglect, because if any of you guys have been watching some of my vlogs, then my garden does run on a little bit of neglect now and then. I have opportunities, let's say, to get in the garden like we're all doing between family and work and all that good stuff. So if you're thinking about doing it, then please give it a go. It's really good fun, and like I say, the best is yet to come with Halloween, so I'm really excited about that. So I hope you enjoyed this really quick update on my gourd arch. Now theming wise, I do have quite a tropical garden, so does it fit it? Maybe not, but you know, that's what gardening's all about for me. It's growing what you want to grow and what you enjoy doing. And this has been really fun. It's been a bit stressful because it's been like a main center point of my garden as you walk through the center of my garden, and it just hasn't got going. But like I say, it's come good in the end. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're thinking about it, please just do it. Best time of year is obviously spring. March time is the best time to sow your seeds, and don't get them out until May, and then just keep an eye on the weather like I did, and then it messed me up. Anyway, until next time, I'll see you in the garden, guys. Take care.